the van an issue?
Yeah.
Not too much brake, mate. Expect him to do anything because of how he was driving. There you go.
Yeah.
Sound. You can spot him a mile off, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just on how he emerged, he obviously doesn't care about any rules. Did you see what he was doing in his van? Smoking?
Yeah.
Is he allowed to smoke in a work vehicle?
No.
No, he's not. Okay. He pulled out, didn't have any thought about the 30 miles an hour limit on our road. I was actually surprised that he did actually signal to do the turn. Yeah. But you can spot them a mile off, mate, can't you? Yeah. Anticipate. Cracking job, Jordan. Hold on.